So, g'day love, how you going?
Hi, how you going? It's nice to meet you.
So, you look beautiful. What's your name? My name's Glenn.
Oh, my name is Glenda. Isn't it just funny? Our names start the same.
So, I just want to know, do you have a boyfriend?
Actually, no, I don't have a boyfriend, but I am looking.
So, I'm just not going to beat around the bush. Would you like a route? You can go upstairs, there's no one up there. You bastard!
What does that for? Fuck my nuts.
That was for being disgusting, man. I want nothing to do with you, and I'm gonna tell all my friends. So you can piss off.
So, g'day people, how you going? And that is how you do not crack onto a woman. Or if you're a woman, you can crack onto a guy like that. They'll probably like it. But not all guys will have sex with you. So, that is today's word. Slang phrase that I want to teach you is to crack onto. And, well, to crack is to break or whatever. And onto means that person. Don't worry about the grammar. Just learn how you use it. If you want to learn the grammar, become a linguist. But it will confuse you. So, wait till you know the language. Or learn the grammar of your own language first. So, to crack onto means to chat up a woman. Means to try and pick her up. To try and form a relationship. So, when you chat up a woman, it doesn't mean you want to have sex with her. It just means you want to get to know her romantically. You want to probably become a partner later. And, well, depending on your cultural background, their cultural background, you'll do it in different ways. Like that demonstration I just said, that is more like the yobbo or bogan Australian way. A lot of Australians wouldn't actually act like that. They'll probably be more respectful and more civil. To ask someone to have sex is really, for a lot of people, it's just asking for trouble. And so, when you crack onto a woman, you have to be able to know how they'll react. Or, same with a woman, when you crack onto a guy, you have to know how they will react. And you need to perform within the norms of the culture. Like, I personally wouldn't go up to a woman who's from an Islamic family or from Asia, whatever, and just crack onto her like an Australian. You have to know how their culture actually behaves before you can form a romantic relationship with them. So, that's what that word actually, or not word, that phrase actually demonstrates. To crack onto is to try and pick up a woman, or just try and get to know them more romantically. So, when you come to Australia and you see a guy talking to a woman and you know that she's interested and he's interested, it's like, yeah, oh yeah, but not sleazy, even though sleazy is part of it, then that person is cracking onto the other person. Hope this helps you with Australian slang, and just have an awesome time, people. Hooroo.